How to unblock someone on Discord. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Discord application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the Settings option on the top right of your screen. Now, under the Account Settings tab, tap on the Content and Social option and now scroll down and under the Accounts you have blocked or ignored tab, tap on the Blocked Accounts option and further tap on the Unblock button beside the account you want to unblock, and with this, that particular individual will be unblocked. So this is how you can unblock someone on Discord. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.